and big jack. Man, do they fight. Oh, hold the rod and come on, baby. I'm gonna have to put the camera down. The third big jack here in this area. That is one. He pulls like a 2.5 foot shark. It's so powerful. They are so much fun to catch. There's another big jack. Man, there's so much fun. A jumping baby fish. They're fun to catch too. Look at them go. Woohoo! Yep, they're beautiful fish. Yep, he's gonna jump right in the boat. I had a trout and I wasn't even paying attention here. Let's see how big he is.